Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you the best anti-aging skincare routine. So let's get it started. 1. Anti-aging ingredients to look for. You may improve your anti-aging skincare routine by incorporating a few important substances. The ingredients that can help you get rid of wrinkles are listed below. 2. Hyaluronic acid. The necessity for continual moisture in aging skin is among the most crucial considerations. In addition to enhancing elasticity and firmness, hyaluronic acid aids in the attraction and retention of moisture by the skin. 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the most effective anti-aging agents available. It increases collagen production, brightens the skin, and has been demonstrated to lessen the visibility of wrinkles. 4. Ceramides. Consider ceramides to be your skin's top anti-aging defense. They create a shield that helps stop moisture loss and damage brought on by environmental stresses. 5. Retinol. Retinol need to be one of the key components of your anti-aging skincare regimen. It speeds up cell turnover for younger-looking skin by promoting the production of collagen and elastin, both of which slow down as you age. 6. Alpha-hydroxy acids. AHAs also aid in removing the outermost layers of dead skin cells. For a smoother appearance, the exfoliating effect might assist to lessen wrinkle visibility. 7. SPF. Keep in mind your SPF, it's one of the most important things for anti-aging. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.